Welcome. Hello and welcome. Today's topic is little bit different. It's away from Google Sheet. It's something about YouTube, and it's interesting in few application. When you have WhatsApp group, Telegram group, or email list, and you want to share regularly to your customers, your members, most popular YouTube video based on your keyword. For example, if you want COVID, let's say COVID-19 research, and you want to get data. For example, this is new. So what you can do, you can run this app script, that you can open the tools and go to script editor and use this code to find the most viewed, most popular, you can say, video in your Google Sheet, and then automate that through your Google Sheet. I have another video that shows how you can send WhatsApp message from within Google Sheet to your list of members in your group, or list of phone numbers. Just now I run the script and it is execution completed, and you can see I have video ID, title and description, everything is captured. So channel ID, and that's interesting. You can just now share this information to your friends or members. Now you see, this is the video I got. So it is said it's the most viewed at this moment regarding this COVID-19 research. Okay, so interesting, huh? So it can be used in many other applications. If you have a list, channel ID, and you want to share automatically if that channel has a new video, then you can also share the video to your WhatsApp members or Telegram members, or through your Google email. So that's it for this video. I just wanted to show its applicability and possibility that it has. This Google App Script has open use opportunity to integrate with a lot of other services. Thank you, and see you in the next video.